Here we have a 2018 Range Rover Sport SDV6 Autobiography Dynamic. Now this vehicle comes with over £4,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website, but they include the Pro Drive package. We have the 22-inch alloy wheels finished in gloss black. We also have the black exterior paintwork. We have LED headlights, the gloss black front grills. We also have the Range Rover badging on the bonnet. We have the vents as well, just up here on the bonnets, as you can see it on either side. And making our way around to the passenger side, you find the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, which have the blind spot assist. Black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We have the panoramic glass sunroof up top, which is currently open. Can also be put onto a tilt. We do have the shark fin antennae and the rear spoiler. We do also have the air suspension with this vehicle, so the vehicle can raise or lower, and it's currently set on its lowest setting. We have 360-degree cameras with the sensors as well. We also have the dual exit exhaust at the back. Power assisted tailgate, press the button on the remote and it will open it just like so. And inside of here you find we have plenty of space for whatever you may need. We've got the partial shelf just up there and also a 12-volt connectivity. We also have the buttons just here so we can raise or lower the vehicle, making it easier to put things into the boot. We also have the button just up here, press this button and it will close again like so. And then walking back around to the driver's side now, you find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So take a look at the interior now. Having a look at the back first, you find we have the full black leather interior. Plenty of space back here. We have the fixed ISO points and the foldable armrest in the centre. We also have the climate control down there for the rear passengers. We have the electric windows on the doors. Again, at the front, we have the same full leather interior. There's a look at the sunroof from the inside. Both the front seats are heated and also cooled, and they're also electrically adjustable, as you can see just there, with the memory functions controlled on the doors. We have the electric mirrors and electric windows, premium Meridian sound system. We also have the multifunctional steering wheel, which is also electrically adjustable, as you can see just down there. It's also heated as well. Taking a seat inside, you find the digital dashboard here in front of us. We also have the adaptive cruise control with the automatic wipers, automatic lights. We have the main screen just here in the centre. If we just turn that on, you find it is touchscreen like so. We do have plenty of features on here that you would have seen on the photos. For example, we have the sat-nav navigation just here. We also have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls, along with the Bluetooth media as well. We have the radio stations, of course, just here with the DAB, FM and AM stations. If we go into the main menu though, scroll across, you find we have the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto, along with plenty of other features. Again, you would have seen them on the photos. We have the ambient lighting, 4x4 information just there, as this vehicle is perfectly capable of going off-road. For all the different drive modes as well, we also have the seats just down here, where you can adjust making them to be heated or cooled. Climate control as well, the ice-cold air conditioning. We have the automatic gearbox with the 360-degree cameras. We've got the different drive mode buttons just here, the air suspension buttons as well, so you can raise or lower the vehicle. We also have the leather armrest in the centre, which you can open that up, and you find we have the fridge just inside of there. That's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.